Hello guys, this is Jamal with you from AppSolve giving tips to Salesforce. Okay, so last time we talked about number, geolocation, email, and percent. So today we're gonna talk about phone, picklist multi-select, and text. So let's start with phone type. Okay, that will allows users to enter any phone number, automatically formats it as a phone number. Okay. So we have value here. Let's say I'm putting any number. Okay, then we're gonna save that. Okay, so it automatically that formatted to be a phone number without the need to do a formatting, or let's say put the brackets or the dash or the space. So that's already built in Salesforce in that type of field. Okay, so we have done phone. Now picklist. So the picklist gonna be something like has many values under one field. So let's say the lead source may be a business development, event, outsell, referral, repeat business, Salesforce, or website. So that lead is coming from a constant, let's say, source. So if we need to make a value as a constant value, and let's say as a lead source, we don't need someone to write business only or business dev, so we all need all of our users need to choose one value to make that easier in the reports. When we are filtering a report, we don't need to try all the possibilities to see who's coming from business development. So in this way we can choose the picklist field type to prevent that from happening. Okay, so in that way we can see that we can choose one value on the picklist type, so it's only one value. The next one gonna be multi-select. So we may choose, let's say, business development with event, so it will check both of them. Then we're gonna click anywhere here, then click save, and that's how we can differentiate between the picklist and the picklist multi-select. Now the next type gonna be text. I think that's clear from the name of the type. Allows users to enter any combination of letters and numbers. Okay, so let's see the text. Now if we click on that, we can choose the field, let's say product interest. So we have length here. Okay, so text can contain up to 255 letters. It cannot contain more than this. Let's say 256 here. Then next, it will send an error. Length must be less than or equal to 255. If we use 255 next, it will allow me to create that field. Okay, so I think that's enough for today, and that's a lot too. Now thanks for watching. Jamal was with you from AppSolve. Subscribe for more content. Bye bye.